Hi there, I'm Zoë Schroeder, Registered Dietitian here at Tucson Weight Loss Surgery, and today I want to talk to you about the 10-to-1 protein rule. So you may have seen me mention this in another video, but I want to dedicate an entire video to explaining this 10-to-1 protein rule. So the 10-to-1 ratio is calories to protein, meaning your calories should be less than 10 times the number of grams of protein. Does that make sense? We'll go through a couple examples to make sure you're nice and clear. Now keep in mind, this is for protein sources only. This is not going to work for carbohydrate sources such as rice or cauliflower rice or fruit. So keep that in mind as well. This is for your protein sources to make sure you are getting a high value of protein for the calories allotted. So here's an example. What you can see here is an 85-15% ground turkey on the left hand of the slide. Now, ground turkey, healthy, right? But if you actually take a look at the label there, what you'll see is that the calories are 220 and the protein is 19. So according to our 10-to-1 rule, your calories should be less than 190. See how that works? So now let's look at the 93.7% lean ground turkey on the right hand side. You'll see that the protein there is 22 grams. So you have 220 calories to work with. And you can see that our calories are much less than that. So that is a much better choice than the 85%. Using this rule while you're shopping is going to help you make choices and think twice before you just go ahead and choose any old protein source. I really want you to get in the habit of reading the nutrition facts label whenever you are picking out your food sources, and use this rule to guide you. So you'll see here with the Italian sausage, that does not follow the rule, right? We've got a big number of calories to a not so big number of protein. And the reason why is because this particular sausage is, just like most sausages, are very high in fat. So that's why you want to make sure you're reading the nutrition facts label and following that 10-to-1 rule. Okay, who has seen these protein cookies? If you are using these protein cookies as part of getting to your protein goal and use this 10-to-1 ratio, what you'll see is that it's really not a good choice. The protein grams here are 8, which means it would have to be 80 or less calories to fit into these criteria. But you'll see that the calories are 190. That's a lot more than 10-to-1 ratio. So definitely want to think twice when you choose one of these processed protein cookies as your protein source. Now let's look at some better sources and better choices of protein using this protein rule. This canned tuna fish here, you'll see, is 100 calories and 22 grams of protein. So that falls far within our rule. If we're following the rule, you would have 220 calories to work with for that number of grams of protein. So your 100 calories fits way into that. So that is a really, really great choice. Now looking at our skinless chicken breasts, this is that lean, light meat of chicken. Also falls far within our 10-to-1 protein rule ratio. So these are some good choices to use when you are looking for protein sources. Now, like I said before, I want you to get in the habit of reading the nutrition facts label whenever you are in the grocery store or making a choice for your protein sources. Follow this 10-to-1 rule. It's easy, and I hope this helps. And until next time, I hope that I'll see you all in the nutrition program, unlimited classes, and direct access to me. So be sure to join that. Until next time, see ya.